Why does cracking your knuckles make a popping sound? This is because the joints are filled with a lubricating fluid called synovial fluid. When you crack your knuckles, the joint is pulled apart, the pressure inside the joint cavity rapidly decreases, and the gas dissolved in the synovial fluid quickly gathers and forms bubbles, which then burst, producing a crisp popping sound. But don't use too much force when cracking them. If the angle or force is incorrect, it might injure the joint, causing a sprained finger. Also, when you twist your neck, you might sometimes hear a cracking sound. This is actually because the lubricant in the joint forms small bubbles due to pressure changes, and these bubbles make a sound when they burst. But if you twist too violently, that can be dangerous, because excessive force can damage the inner walls of the neck's blood vessels. If a vessel tears, it can easily form a blood clot, which may travel to the brain's blood vessels with the blood flow. If it blocks an important blood vessel, that can be a big problem, potentially causing a stroke. When you exercise your muscles, the muscle fibers will experience tiny tears. But don't worry, because the body will promptly repair these tears and strengthen the fibers during the repair process, making the muscles stronger. However, don't overexert yourself during exercise. If the weight is too heavy or the movements are improper, it may lead to excessive tearing of the muscles, causing serious injury.